Here at Auto Direct Cars, we always say we have these beautiful, pristine quality cars, and this is a 2016 F-Type. It's got 10,000 original miles. It's got the pano roof, every option, nav, every Jaguar feature, Carfax certified, one owner, well-maintained, serviced. This particular car was close to $70,000 new, and here's a car that you're going to save close to $35,000 with only 10,000 miles. Check us out at Auto Direct Cars, where we sell cream puffs for less, and also this comes with the balance of the factory warranty.